Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a 10-inch shelf bin from Holman. It's part number 40311. Let's get into it. All right, I do have a box here because I have 4 of these, but we're really only talking about one bin when you're talking about part number 40311. It's one of these 10-inch bins right here. It comes with 2 dividers on the inside. And they're yellow. They used to be blue. They just changed them to be yellow now, so it's consistent with all of the Holman accessories. And as you can see, we've got these little dividers here. We've got a little place for like a placard or label of some sort if you need to label your parts. And I do have 4 of them here, so you can kind of get an idea of what they're gonna look like. We're gonna be putting 4 of these side by side on a shelf when we do our upfit on the RAM ProMaster behind me. But these are also stackable, so you know, if you needed to stack them for whatever reason, you could do that, or just makes it easy for maybe you load up on all your supplies, you bring it out to the van, and then set them in the van that way. It's just a nice little feature that they have here. We have a nice large place for a label up here. 2, this is just a plastic, heavy duty bin that you can use for organizing your life in the back of the van. So if you're looking for these bins or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.